In today's video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe and unsubscribe from Todoist emails step by step. Whether you want to turn on email reminders so you never miss a task or turn them off to reduce inbox clutter, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need inside Todoist. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main interface, look to the top left corner and click your avatar. This is where Todoist keeps your account and app settings, so it's the starting point for managing notification preferences. After clicking your avatar, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings panel where you can customize how Todoist behaves and how it sends you updates. Now, on the left sidebar inside Settings, click the Notifications tab. This section is where you manage Collaborator updates and other notification preferences tied to your account. If you're working with a team or sharing projects, this area is especially useful because it controls the kinds of updates Todoist sends you. Next, if your goal is to manage task reminder emails, click the Reminders tab. Here, you'll see the Remind Me via email option. If you want Todoist to send you email reminders, toggle this setting on. If you want to stop receiving those reminder emails, simply toggle it off. This is the key step for subscribing or unsubscribing from Todoist reminder emails. Take a moment to confirm the setting is in the position you want. If you're turning emails on, make sure the switch is enabled so reminders will come through to your inbox. If you're turning them off, make sure the switch is disabled so Todoist no longer sends those reminder messages by email. Once you've made your choice, you can close the settings window and continue using Todoist normally. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can subscribe to Todoist emails when you want helpful reminders or unsubscribe when you want a cleaner inbox. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.